Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add optical flow to videos in CapCut, which helps make your clips smoother and more professional. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the CapCut application on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best features. Step 2. Tap on the video where you want to apply the optical flow effect. This will open the video timeline in the editor. Step 3. Swipe left on the bottom menu bar until you see the option called Video Quality, then tap on it. This section lets you enhance how your video looks. Step 4. Look for the Optical Flow setting. It's the second option from the right and is used to smooth out motion between frames. Step 5. Use the slider to set the effect to either 30, 50, or 60, depending on how smooth you want it. Once you're happy, tap the tick mark to confirm. Step 6. Wait a few seconds while CapCut processes the effect. After that, your video will be updated with the new, smoother motion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.